Ready to connect to Infosys resources from the comfort of your own home? Let's dive into how to use Iremote on your personal laptop, ensuring you can work securely and effectively. First things first, you'll need to install the Iremote software. You or your IT department should provide a download link or installation package. The specific steps to install Iremote will usually be laid out in clear instructions. It may involve running a setup file and accepting some terms and conditions. Be sure to read everything carefully during the installation process. Once installed, you'll typically open the Iremote application. You might see a login screen where you'll enter your Infosys credentials. This often requires your employee ID and password, just like when you're at the office. To verify your identity, double-check that you are inputting the correct information. After a successful login, you'll have access to company resources. This could include your work emails, files, and other network applications. Remember, Iremote is designed with security as a top priority because you are using your personal device. It is important to keep your device security updated and follow any instructions provided by your IT department. By following these steps, you can efficiently and securely access Infosys resources, allowing you to stay connected from anywhere.